Hello everyone, glad to see you all again here. Today we are going to see 5 effective asanas that can burn lots of calories than intense workout. Most of us unaware of yoga's enormous benefits, one among is weight loss. So watch this video completely and try to practice along with me. Let's begin. If you are new to this channel, this is Sundaram and this channel is almost everything about yoga. If you are interested in this topic, click the subscribe button and bell icon as well as select the option all so that you will get notified every time when we are uploading interesting yoga related videos and essentially healthy tips. First posture in our list is Virabhadrasana Warrior Pose 2. Just split your legs for few feet and first keep your right leg in the backward direction and slowly bend your left knee for 90 degrees and stay in this posture with normal breathing. If you can't come to this perfect posture, that's completely okay. Stay in the posture that you did for maximum. Don't hesitate to stay in that posture, okay? Eventually, gradually, by practicing every day, you can reach the perfect posture soon. After staying here for 20 seconds, slowly relax and do the same in the opposite direction, okay? Also do everything with enthusiasm and belief so that you can reach the end goal soon. Now we want to reduce our weight, so let's move to the second posture with a big smile. Second asana is Trikonasana Triangle Pose. Same as Warrior Pose, split your legs a bit. Now we are going to slowly inhale and place our left palm beside our left leg. Slowly place with inhalation and twist your hip and shoulders. Slowly rise your opposite hand upwards and focus on your right palm, okay? Stay in this posture for 20 seconds with normal breathing, and also make sure that you haven't bended any of your knees, and also don't lift your heels from the floor like this. This is also applicable for warrior pose. Warrior pose, we are staying like this, right? Here also don't take your heels from the floor, that will decrease your stretch. So stay in this posture for 20 seconds. After staying, slowly relax and do the same in the opposite direction too. And all these 5 postures can also be done by beginners. So don't feel that this is too hard for me. Everything will be looking hard before we complete. So love the process and keep doing it. I'm sure that you can definitely complete all these 5 postures with regular practice. Before going to the third asana, if you like this video, smash that like button which motivates me to do more interesting videos like this, okay? The third asana is Navasana, the boat pose. Just come to this posture, keep your legs in this position, slightly bend backwards. This asana is really very good if you have a belly fat, okay? Just bend slightly backwards, never shrink your shoulders, just open up and slowly with inhalation lift your legs up. Slowly with inhalation lift your legs up and slowly remove your hands from the floor, okay? Stay in this posture for 20 seconds. If you feel this is too intense for you, you can also catch your legs like this and stay for 20 seconds. And one more important thing is, if you can't stay in this posture for 20 seconds, this is applicable for all the 5 asanas. If you can't stay for 20 seconds, stay at least for 5 seconds, but after practicing day by day, increase the timing, okay? After staying in this posture for 20 seconds, slowly relax with exhalation. Fourth asana is Setu Bandhasana, the bridge pose. Just lie down like this. Slowly push your legs and rise your hips from the floor. Rise your hips from the floor like this and interlock your hands inside your hips. Now slowly with inhalation, rise your right leg up, point your toes and make it straight. Stay here with normal breathing for 20 seconds. After staying here for 20 seconds, slowly exhale and bring back your right leg. Again inhale and lift your left leg up. Make sure you are not bending your knees and also point in your toes. Stretch as much as possible, and after staying for 20 seconds, slowly relax. For time being, I'm relaxing in few seconds, but you please stay at least 20 seconds in each and every posture. Before seeing the last and effective posture, if you have any doubts, feel free to ask in the comment box below, or you can also DM to us personally in our Instagram page. Also follow me over there also you can find some amazing comments. Okay, the fifth posture is Uttana Padasana. Just lie down like this. Place your hands beside your hips, not into the hips. Okay, after lift, now we are going to lift our legs for 45 degrees with inhalation. After inhalation, don't get your hands inside your hips for support. If you did that, then all your efforts are merely waste. So keep your hands beside your hip. Slowly inhale and rise your legs up to 45 degrees. Don't lift after that. Just 45 degrees is the maximum, then only you can feel the stretch in your abdomen. This is so much good for your belly fat. Stay here. Also point your toes, okay? Stay here for 20 seconds with normal breathing. Also never bring your chest up while doing this posture. Keep it on the floor. After staying for 20 seconds, slowly relax with exhalation. Practice these 5 asanas regularly, and also if you want, you can also practice half plank or full plank. That also plays a key role in weight loss. Okay, don't forget to share this to all your friends and family members who wish to reduce their weight, and also subscribe and stay connected with us. See you soon in the next interesting video. Bye bye, take care.